Hi class, let's take a look at example 5. In example 5, it's one of those problems that's going to end up with some sort of a tangent inverse or cosine inverse. And the substitution that they're referring to is basically we're looking at the denominator and we're going to try to rewrite the denominator into one of the forms that we recognize. So the actual trick on all of these is to try to complete the squared. So here's how this one's going to work. So we're going to complete the square. And then what that's going to happen is it's going to fit it into the proper form for one of those inverses. One of those problems that may have an inverse related to it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite it as, well, the same integral, but I'm going to separate the denominator. Now, you're not allowed to change the denominator, so in this case, this is the integral of dx over, there's no square roots, so I'm just going to rewrite it as x squared plus the values of 2x as technically one quantity, and then plus the values of 5. So plus the values of 5. And then remember that when you complete the squared, you're looking at the coefficient of the x's. This value, which happens to be 2, the algorithm, what it does is you divide it by 2 or multiply it by a half and then squared. So this is going to be technically, well, 1 squared, which is equal to 1. So to complete the squared, we have to add 1, but you're not allowed to modify the integral. So in this case, this is equivalent to the integral of dx over, you're going to have x squared. So we're looking at an x squared plus 2x plus 1 to complete the square. And the trick on this one is, even though you're adding 1, you're not allowed to modify it. So in this case, I'm just going to rewrite it as minus 1 plus the 4. Oops, not 4, plus 5. So in this case, we're rewriting it as dx over x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 4. And I'm treating it as basically these two being separate, because at this point, now your denominator factors. So you're now rewriting it as this is the integral of dx over, this will be an x plus 1 squared plus 2 to the second. And then the substitution would simply be with the values of u. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to let u equal to x plus 1. Then du is equal to dx. And this one's done. So we're looking at now the actual integral of du over u squared plus technically u to, 2 to the second. And now it's on the proper format. This one's going to be a tangent inverse. So we're just going to rewrite it. Well, it's 1 over a. The a is equal to the 2. So our final answer is going to end up being a 1/2 well, actually no more integral. So a 1/2 tangent inverse of technically, well, u over a or u over 2 plus c, or a 1/2 tangent inverse of x plus 1 over 2 plus the values of c. And that would be our final answer. Just to clarify the formula that I'm using, it's technically the formula of the integral of du over a squared plus u squared. This is equal to 1 over a tangent inverse of technically u over a. plus c. That's the formula that I'm using here for that 2. So that justifies the 2's that I'm using there. Otherwise, well, it's not clear how we're getting it. But that would be it. And basically the derivative of the tangent inverse, it's 1 over, well, u squared plus a squared.